The essentials of life proteins. Proteins are the building blocks of life. They are large, complex molecules that play many critical roles in the body. Think of proteins as the workers of our cells, carrying out thousands of functions every second. Every cell in our body contains protein. Our muscles, skin, hair, and nails are all made up of proteins. Enzymes, which speed up chemical reactions in the body, are also proteins. Proteins are made up of smaller units called amino acids. These amino acids are linked together in long chains, like beads on a string. There are 20 different amino acids that can be combined in countless ways to create different proteins. Just as a house needs bricks and mortar, our bodies need proteins to grow, repair, and function correctly. Proteins in action, building a better you. Proteins are the workhorses of our cells, involved in almost every aspect of our biology. They provide structure and support to our tissues, giving shape to our cells and holding them together. Without proteins, our bodies would be like a building without beams or a car without a chassis. Proteins also play a crucial role in transporting and storing molecules. For example, hemoglobin, a protein found in red blood cells, carries oxygen throughout the body. Other proteins act as channels and pumps, moving molecules across cell membranes. Antibodies, which are a type of protein, help our immune system fight off infections. They recognize and bind to foreign invaders like bacteria and viruses, neutralizing them before they can cause harm. Hormones, another type of protein, act as chemical messengers, regulating various bodily functions. Insulin, for example, regulates blood sugar levels, while growth hormone stimulates cell growth and repair. Where do we get proteins? A look at food sources. We obtain proteins from the food we eat. Both animal and plant sources provide proteins, and each type offers a unique profile of amino acids. Animal sources of protein include meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy products. These sources are considered complete proteins because they contain all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies cannot produce on their own. Plant sources of protein include beans, lentils, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. While plant proteins are often considered incomplete because they may be low in one or more essential amino acids, a varied plant-based diet can easily provide all the necessary amino acids. Choosing a variety of protein sources ensures that we get all the essential amino acids our bodies need. It's also important to consider the quality of protein sources, as some may be more digestible and bioavailable than others. Animal versus plant proteins. Understanding the difference. While both animal and plant sources provide protein, there are some key differences between the two. Animal proteins are generally considered complete proteins, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids in adequate amounts. They are also typically rich in vitamin B12, iron, and zinc, nutrients that can be harder to obtain on a plant-based diet. Plant proteins, on the other hand, are often incomplete, meaning they may be low in one or more essential amino acids. However, by combining different plant protein sources throughout the day, such as beans and rice or lentils and quinoa, it's easy to obtain all the essential amino acids our bodies need. Plant proteins are naturally lower in saturated fat and cholesterol compared to animal proteins, making them a heart-healthy choice. They are also packed with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which provide numerous health benefits. The choice between animal and plant proteins is a personal one, and both can be part of a healthy diet. The key is to choose a variety of protein sources and to prioritize quality over quantity. Section 5. Proteins and a balanced diet. The winning formula. A balanced diet is essential for good health, and protein plays a vital role in maintaining that balance. Proteins provide the building blocks for growth and repair, support immune function, and help regulate hormones. When we don't consume enough protein, our bodies can start to break down muscle mass to meet their protein needs. This can lead to muscle weakness, fatigue, and a weakened immune system. On the other hand, consuming too much protein can put a strain on our kidneys and liver. It's important to find the right balance and to listen to our body's cues. A good rule of thumb is to aim for 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. However, this recommendation can vary depending on factors such as age, activity level, and health status. Section 6. Fun facts about proteins, surprising insights. Proteins are fascinating molecules, and there are many interesting facts about them that you might not know. The largest known protein is titin, a giant protein found in muscle. It's made up of over 34,000 amino acids. The most abundant protein in the human body is collagen, which makes up about 25% of our total protein mass. It's found in our skin, bones, tendons, and ligaments, providing structure and support. The shape of a protein determines its function. If a protein's shape is altered, it may no longer be able to perform its job properly. Some proteins can act as enzymes, speeding up chemical reactions in the body by millions of times. Proteins are essential for life as we know it, and they play a role in countless biological processes. Section 7. Proteins in everyday life examples you can relate to. Proteins are not just abstract molecules found in textbooks. They are an integral part of our everyday lives. Here are a few examples. When you eat a piece of grilled chicken, your body breaks down the protein in the chicken into amino acids. These amino acids are then used to build and repair tissues, produce enzymes and hormones, and support other bodily functions. When you get a cut on your finger, your body uses proteins like collagen and fibrin to form a blood clot and heal the wound. When you lift weights, you're actually causing tiny tears in your muscle fibers. Your body then uses protein to repair these tears, making your muscles stronger. When you wash your hair with shampoo, the proteins in the shampoo bind to the proteins in your hair, leaving it clean and manageable. Proteins are everywhere, and they play a vital role in keeping us alive and functioning. Section 8. The importance of protein quality. When it comes to protein, quality matters just as much as quantity. Protein quality refers to the digestibility and amino acid profile of a protein source. Animal proteins are generally considered high-quality proteins because they are easily digestible and contain all 9 essential amino acids in adequate amounts. Plant proteins, on the other hand, can vary in quality. Some plant proteins, such as soy protein and quinoa, are considered complete proteins and are highly digestible. Others, such as beans and lentils, may be lower in one or more essential amino acids and may not be as easily digestible. To ensure you're getting high-quality protein from plant sources, it's important to choose a variety of sources and to combine them strategically. For example, combining beans with rice or lentils with quinoa creates a complete protein meal. Processing can also affect protein quality. Processed meats, for example, may contain added nitrates and nitrites, which can be harmful to health. Similarly, protein powders and supplements may not be as easily digestible as whole food sources of protein. Section 9. The power of proteins. A recap. Proteins are the building blocks of life, essential for growth, repair, and countless bodily functions. They provide structure to our cells, transport and store molecules, support our immune system, and regulate hormones. We obtain proteins from both animal and plant sources. While animal proteins are generally considered complete proteins, plant proteins can easily provide all the essential amino acids when combined strategically. A balanced diet that includes adequate protein is crucial for good health. Consuming too little protein can lead to muscle loss and weakness, while too much can put a strain on our organs. Protein quality matters just as much as quantity. Choose a variety of protein sources. Prioritize whole food sources over processed foods and supplements. And combine plant proteins strategically to ensure you're getting all the essential amino acids your body needs.